Hello everyone, my name is Avni Kaul. I'm a nutritionist and a wellness coach. Today I'm going to be talking about this product of Wellspring called the Armor. It's got these four ingredients, namely colostrum, whey protein, curcumin and piperine. Now these four ingredients make a really interesting combination if anyone is looking for a health supplement for immunity enhancement, especially in today's time when there's a pandemic of coronavirus out there. If anyone is kind of looking out for just one main supplement, I think this one is the right one. And the reason behind it is the combination of these four ingredients. Now, the first one is colostrum. The colostrum which is used in this particular product is the bovine colostrum. Now, bovine colostrum is the first milky fluid that comes out from the udder of the cows the first few days after giving birth, once the actual milk starts to appear after a few days. And the bovine colostrum contains proteins called the antibodies, and these antibodies fight against viruses and bacteria that cause diseases. So the antibodies present in bovine colostrum are almost 100 times higher, 100 times more effective than the antibodies present in regular cow's milk. And in case the cow has been vaccinated against specific diseases, the bovine colostrum becomes even more effective in fighting any kind of virus, bacteria. It has excellent healing properties, good immune enhancement, and overall a very healthy ingredient to be incorporated into a supplement. Bovine colostrum is also known to improve the gut health. It's primarily used to treat diarrheal diseases. So in case you're also looking at a gut healthy, gut promoting supplement, colostrum is one. Now the other thing is whey protein. As we all know that whey protein is extracted from milk. So there are two proteins present in milk, casein and whey. So whey is extracted, is separated from the casein, or it is formed as a byproduct of cheese formation. Now whey protein has been seen as an excellent post-recovery, post-workout meal, especially with regards to resistance training. It does promote muscle protein synthesis, helps in muscle repair and recovery, and also aids in fat loss and weight loss. Now researchers are not only looking at it from an exercise supplement point of view, but they're also looking at various therapeutic properties. So whey protein makes it has all the 9 essential amino acids that makes it a complete protein, and therefore anyone having a protein deficiency, largely Indians are protein deficient, and a whey protein supplement can really ensure that they get their adequate protein in the diet. And of course, since whey protein helps in muscle repair, recovery, muscle protein synthesis, it also boosts the immunity of any individual. The last two, curcumin and piperine, I would like to talk about them together. Very interestingly, they've been combined. Curcumin is the main active ingredient present in turmeric. And curcumin and piperine both are excellent excellent anti-inflammatory. I mean, they're anti-inflammatory in nature and they're potent antioxidants. Now, the thing with curcumin is that it makes up only 3% of the weight. If you're just consuming turmeric in your diet or you're healthy in the diet, you will not get the potential benefits of curcumin. So it becomes essential for us to take it in the form of a supplement. So curcumin supplement will be effective only if you combine it with the natural occurring substance present in black pepper, which is known as the piperine. And the reason for that is that curcumin is not readily absorbed into the bloodstream. So any good curcumin supplement has to be combined with piperine, and both of them take excellent anti-inflammatory. They have excellent anti-inflammatory properties, and the reason for that is that they are so strong. Even if you compare it with an anti-inflammatory drug, they're more effective than that, and there are no side effects as well. So whenever there is a chronic inflammation, whenever there are, when we're talking about degenerative diseases or chronic conditions like diabetes, Alzheimer's, any heart condition, metabolic syndrome, curcumin and piperine have been shown to be very, very effective in reducing the onset or delaying the onset of these diseases and also curing them. The curcumin and piperine, in short, they are excellent bioactive substances that reduce inflammation at the molecular level. Now, they're also potent antioxidants. What are antioxidants, they fight the free radicals. Now, free radicals cause oxidative damage, which results in aging. You could be exposed to free radicals due to smoking, due to the pollution, and that has an effect on our bodies. So curcumin and piperine both together, they fight the free radicals because they can neutralize the free radicals at there because of their chemical structure. And unfortunately, what free radicals do is that they react with the organic substances, which are the fatty acids, the DNA, and the protein. So it becomes very important for curcumin and piperine to fight the free radicals. And the best part about these two is that they not only fight the free radicals, but they also boost the body's own antioxidant activity. And therefore, these four ingredients in one particular supplement, in one all together, make this extremely important for every household or every individual to consume. If you're looking for just one supplement, you're not looking for individual supplements. So this is an excellent product with very four interesting ingredients added into it. Thank you.